Hi, my name is Mark Hammonds, and I'm going to show you how to set up a Scala development environment using VS Code. So, to start with, you need to go to your App Store or download the VS Code executable. But I'm on Linux, so I'm just going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to use the Flatpak version just to go through the whole setup process with you guys. Once that's done, you go to your Start menu and launch code. So here we go. First thing you're going to want to do is open up a folder. You can just use your home directory for this and trust. Then what you want to do is install the Metals extension. Once that's done installing, you want to try clicking the New Scala Project button, but you're going to get an issue not able to find Java 8 or Java 11. This may not appear if you've already got Java installed, but if you don't, you can just click this Install Java JDK 11 and it will install it for you. Then you reload the window and you click this New Scala Project button again. Metals will take a second to boot up, downloading all its files and such. And then you can start a new Scala project. You should start with a Scala 3 template, since I'm going to be teaching using Scala 3. So we do that, choose home directory, and then you can just put it in a folder like projects if you want, and click OK. And then give the project a name. We're going to do Learning Scala. Once you press enter, it will begin cloning the project and setting everything up. Then you say, no, I want to open in this window, and you're switched over to the Scala, Learning Scala project. You click Import Build, so that Metals is completely properly set up. This will take a bit depending on how fast your computer is. If you want to see what's going on, you can just click Show Logs. And finally, we're ready. Everything is ready. And so you go into Source, Main, Scala, right click, and choose New Scala File, and choose Worksheet. And write chapter 0. And now you have a Scala worksheet. First thing you should do is write something like val x equals 5 or 4 and save. And you see you get a result, and x equals 4 results in int equals 4. Don't worry too much about this int part, we'll get to that later. But now you're set up and you're ready to start learning.